everyone, this is Daniel here again at Central Cal, San Diego. Today's truck of the day is this 2015 Peterbilt 389. You got a PACCAR MX 485 horsepower engine, 18 speed, dual chrome exhaust, double bunk, chrome half fenders, all aluminum rims, 454 on the miles, and this truck's starting out at $81,900. You got a brand new chrome pogo stick for the airlines as well. If you want more information on this truck or anything else we got here in San Diego, give me a call at 909-275-5191, or you can visit us today in San Diego at 1605 Otay Mesa Center Road. Talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.